What if your photos aren't being held back by your camera, but by the laptop you edit them on? Because even the best camera in the world won't help if your laptop struggles every time you open Photoshop or Lightroom. Slow exports, laggy brushes, poor color accuracy. That's exactly what turns editing into a nightmare. So if you want a laptop that can actually keep up with your photography, here are the 5 best laptops for photographers and photo editing you can buy in 2026. And if you want to check prices or pick one up, all the product links are down in the description below. Number 5. Asus Vivobook 15 OLED. If you want the best value for money, this is the budget laptop to beat. Most affordable laptops cut corners where photographers need quality the most: the screen. But the Vivobook 15 OLED does the opposite. It gives you a bright OLED display with excellent color accuracy and full DCI-P3 coverage, which means your photos look much closer to how they're supposed to. That alone makes it better than most cheap laptops for editing. You also get enough power for Lightroom, Photoshop, and everyday editing, especially if you choose one of the higher-end Intel versions. No, it's not built for huge professional workloads or heavy video editing, but if you're starting out or just want something affordable that still gives you a great screen, the Vivobook 15 OLED is an easy recommendation. Number 4. Apple MacBook Air M4. If you travel a lot, work from coffee shops, or just want something lightweight, the MacBook Air M4 is probably the easiest laptop to live with. It's thin, incredibly light, almost silent, and somehow still powerful enough to handle Photoshop and Lightroom surprisingly well. The battery life is also excellent. You can edit for hours without constantly looking for a charger, which makes a huge difference if you're working on the go. And even though it's not the most powerful MacBook, the display is still sharp, color accurate, and perfect for photographers. Number 3. HP Victus 15. This one is for photographers who also want a little more raw power. The HP Victus 15 gives you a dedicated graphics card, stronger performance, and much faster editing speeds than most laptops in its price range. That means faster exports, smoother Photoshop performance, and a better experience if you also edit video. Now technically, this is more of a gaming laptop, but that's exactly why it's such a smart option. You're getting a lot more performance for your money than you would from most traditional creative laptops. The downside is that it's heavier. The battery life isn't amazing, and the screen isn't quite as impressive as the MacBook or OLED options. But if performance matters more than portability, the HP Victus 15 is a fantastic choice. Number 2. Asus ProArt P16. If you want a serious Windows laptop for creative work, this is where things start getting really impressive. The Asus ProArt P16 feels like it was designed specifically for photographers. You get a large, color-accurate display, loads of performance, plenty of RAM, and enough power to handle huge RAW files, advanced Photoshop edits, and even demanding AI tools. It also has one of the best displays on this list, with excellent contrast, sharpness, and colors that are accurate enough for professional work. And unlike some powerful laptops, it still manages to stay relatively thin and stylish. And finally, number 1. Apple MacBook Pro 16-inch with M4 Pro. If you want the best laptop for photographers in 2026, this is it. The MacBook Pro 16 with the M4 Pro chip is unbelievably fast. Photoshop runs effortlessly, Lightroom feels instant, and even huge batches of RAW files export without slowing down. But performance is only half the story. The display on this thing is incredible. It's bright, sharp, color accurate, and easily one of the best laptop screens you can get for editing photos. When you're spending hours working on your images, that matters. You also get fantastic battery life, premium build quality, and a laptop that feels like it's built to last for years. So here's the quick answer. The Asus Vivobook 15 OLED is the best budget option. The MacBook Air M4 is the best for portability. The HP Victus 15 is the best value for power. The Asus ProArt P16 is the best Windows choice. And the MacBook Pro 16 with M4 Pro is the best overall. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the product links in the description, and let me know in the comments. Which laptop would you trust with your photos the most?